Are you facing any problem related to digestion or constipation? If yes, we have a wonderful natural home remedy for you. Can you guess anything? Yes, it's flaxseed. Viewers, we will come back with details after the interval. By this time, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to stay with Healthpedia. Welcome back, viewers. Flax seeds deserve to be top of the list of the world's most powerful medicinal foods. For just pennies a day, it may protect against dozens of life-threatening health conditions. Let's see what are the health benefits of flax seeds. Number 1. Flax seeds help fight cancer. Lignans present in flax seeds are very helpful in fighting cancer and cancer-causing cells. The three lignans can be converted by our intestinal bacteria into enterolactone and enterodiol, which naturally balance hormones. Number 2. Aid diabetes treatment. Studies show that flaxseed supplementation lowered fasting blood sugar levels by 20%. More importantly, the seeds contain mucilage, which is a gel-forming fiber that can slow digestion and the resultant release of glucose into the blood. Number 3. Flax seeds protect the heart. It is one of the best flax seeds benefits is it helps in lowering fat and cholesterol and prevents its absorption. It also traps bile, which is made in the gallbladder and further helps in reduction in cholesterol level. Number 4. Improve digestion. Flax seeds are rich in insoluble fiber and fats, which makes it extremely precious for our digestive system. It is also a proven food to reduce gut inflammation. Number 5. Can aid weight loss. We know that flax seeds are rich in fiber. They can aid weight management, and the omega-3 in the seeds, the healthy fats, and suppress appetite and improve satiety, and this can also help in weight loss. Number 6. Beauty benefits. Adding flax seeds to one's diet help make nails, hairs, eyes, and skin healthier, including 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in a smoothie or the daily routine can make this significant difference to the hair and nails. Number 7. Menopause issues. Flax seeds have estrogenic properties which help women during menopause. It helps in reducing mood swings and change of osteoporosis in old age. Easy to buy and easier to take, flax seeds would be a real boon to your health. So viewers, include them in your diet right away and let us know in the comments how do you eat flax seeds to get the incredible health benefits. Thanks for watching the video and please like and share the video.